Good morning, guys. Welcome or welcome back to our channel. I'm Gavin, and once again, I'm in Anjuna. And what I wanted to do really is show you these beautiful areas where there are some really nice villages, and at the same time, you can see some restaurants and guest houses and homestays on the way. Guys, if you're passing by this area, please be extremely cautious of this road, especially because as you can see here, this road is very narrow, and on the left here the road work is incomplete. So if some car comes from that side, it gets very difficult if it's a big vehicle especially. What I'm going to do right now is that there's a ground here. I'm going to take a right from this way because I've already taken you to the other areas. Yeah, let's take this right and head over towards this side and explore this side of Anjuna. As you can see on the right, Royal Comfort Stay. So if you want a quiet stay in Anjuna, you can stay here. There's a ground here. This is comparatively quieter compared to the hotspots within Anjuna. And the time right now is around 11:30 a.m. So there was traffic police there, but they were busy in their own world. Anyway, I don't have to worry about anything because we have everything with us. Okay, let's go inside this Vado here. So there are different Vados over here. What place is this? De Amor. So I really do not know exactly which Vado this is, but there is Mazal Vado and then there is De Mello Vado. We've already made a video on De Mello Vado. And if you are really looking for nice places to stay, like peaceful places, I would recommend you have a look at these areas. So this is Blue Pearl Resort here on the left. And yeah, please perform your checks. Doggy man here with one black patch on his right eye. Let's name him Jack Sparrow Doggy Man. Jack Sparrow Doggy Man just passed by, and there's another doggy man here on the right. So many homestays here. Luckily they are in their own world, not barking, but you have to be cautious here because there are gutters here, and recently there was a news article about someone who fell with their bike in the gutter. So guys, please be careful. Do not drink and drive. Do not fall in the gutter. It's embarrassing and you will hurt yourself and you might hurt others as well. Wow, it's so windy today. It's cloudy, sunny. It's like all-in-one weather today. It feels good when the sun comes out for a bit because because of the monsoon season, the weather is quite cool, around 25-26 degrees, and it's very comfortable for riding. But yeah, when the sun comes out, you feel a little warmth and you feel nice. As you can see here, there are some tourists who are maybe checking in or leaving. What's this left here? I think this left will take us towards the beach. Yeah, so I'm going to take a U-turn because there is another road that way which I wanted to explore. We are back on to the other road that I was talking about, guys, and this side here it looks a bit lively. So as you can see here, there is a saloon here. There are some grocery shops over here, and Trails of Taste. I think we had ordered food from here. Yeah, my cousin had ordered biryani and it was very nice. So yeah, that place is on my list as well. Wilfred, if you're watching, I think we had the biryani from this place, if I remember. Trails of Taste, the mutton biryani. It was fabulous. Angry Sardar here, well-known restaurant. Don't really know how the taste is. And I think somewhere ahead is Burger Factory as well. I always get a little confused on these roads because there are so many winding roads here, so many narrow roads which look similar. And once again, please be extra cautious. Even Anjuna has been in the news for the wrong reasons. So if you're driving, don't consume anything. Alcohol obviously, do not consume that, and do not consume any sort of drugs. And you know the drill, guys. Please do not do that. It's unsafe, and a lot of accidents have taken place in Goa, so please be mindful of that. Okay, Speakeasy, what is this? Some new restaurant. So there are many places. Yeah, this is Burger Factory. I was right. This is their parking on the right. And what I'll be doing right now is I'm going to go straight ahead and show you some other areas of Anjuna as well that I have not covered. Burger Factory, yes, their burger is very good. I have had that. But my favorite right now is the burger from the Ban 31. I really like their burger. It's just like everything is made fresh. They make it in poi, which is something interesting. I really enjoyed the burger in poi, the patty. The owner Vernick, I know him very well because we made a video like around 1.5 years ago, and since then I've been to Ban 31 so many times. I'm in love with their food, and especially nowadays if you are a football fan. Talking about football, yesterday's match, well, first of all, Egypt played really well, and at one point I was convinced they are going to win. And they played very well for their ranking, and they put in a lot of effort. Yes, I do agree a couple of decisions might have gone against them, but I don't really know because the defender touched the ball first and then flipped Mohamed Salah's leg. If you were watching the match, it would make sense to you, but then yeah, I'm supporting Argentina, and Messi missed the penalty. Messi is always jittery when it comes to penalties. When he was taking the penalty, I had a feeling he might miss, so I think he should not take penalties anymore. I think the whole reason of doing so was to take ownership, and he did that. But yeah, he missed the penalty, but luckily he's Messi, and you cannot leave the stadium, as Diego Simeone mentioned, until Messi is playing. Okay, let's take this right. St. Anthony's Chapel, again winding roads, and so many things changed. The match took a 180-degree turn just after the 72nd or the 73rd minute, and by the 91st or the 92nd minute, Argentina already scored 3 goals and they won the match. But yes, once again, big shout out to Egypt. The way they played was fantastic. Even Cape Verde, if I got the pronunciation right. Okay, there's Guru Bar, Slow Tide, and all these places here. I've taken you towards these places before. Doggy Man here. But anyway, I'm going to go this way as well. So as you can see here, again, beautiful narrow roads, doggies everywhere. They have their collars, so almost all the houses have dogs. I don't think these people here get a lot of robbers. There are so many dogs in this area, and it's actually a very good thing because in our village as well there are many dogs, and if anyone passes by the village roads in the night, they immediately start barking. Okay, let's go ahead. Hippie Hostel. Okay, yeah, I passed by these roads. Hippie Hostel. This one here is a budget stay hostel. I mentioned that in my previous videos as well. So I pretty much covered most of the areas that I didn't cover before. I hope you guys found this video entertaining and informative. Like I said, I might start talking about a different topic, but please keep an eye on the video because you'll get to see places like these. Bucket Step, Doggy Man here. I think I should start naming the Doggy Man because the Jack Sparrow Doggy Man made sense. We at least have a record of all the Doggy Men over here. I saw black and white Doggy Man, and in my mind I was like, this has to be Michael Jackson Doggy Man. I know it doesn't make sense, but it makes sense to me. Alright, that's a view of the ocean. we have made it towards the beach and the ocean looks pretty damn rough right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this one. Until the next one, take care, stay safe and stay positive.